Presenting the Pgytech landing gear lights for the Dji Mavic Pro. Powered by only one AA battery for each light. Tool-free snap-on landing gear light holder. Easy snap-on clips for the LED lights. Turn the front part clockwise to power them on. Snap on the front landing gear extensions. If you're unsecure, use the manual. A really long manual. So long. They look like two killer torpedoes. They are so bright. Watch this clip. Smash them into the wall. They will survive. The Pgytech LED lights are drone accessories that you can't live without. The links of the landing gear will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Oh. What the fuck? Ski helmet, ski glasses.